me show y'all this hair that I just got. The concept just sent me some hair to review for y'all. I am really excited. This is hot pink, to be exact. Hot pink. 1 pack of hot pink. This is your main concept. 3x Define easy braided hair, 52 inches long. I even have neon green. Have red. Have blue. This is just blue. Last but not least, we have silver. This is the new braided hair for main concept that I will be using today. This is like my first hair tutorial doing a box braided look. So this is going to be really interesting. Now, whenever I do my box braids, I enjoy using these 2 products right here. I enjoy using the Shine and Jam. In majority of all my videos, you will see me using this. So this is like the good stuff. I like this stuff because it doesn't keep white residue in your hair, and that is what I love about this this Shine and Jam with the honey extract, is that it's the best thing for braids, especially for my hair to be exact. Anything that needs like a really good hold, I really enjoy using this wax stuff, so that's another product I like to use. Of course, I'll be using some rubber bands, and I really like using this type of comb because it has this end part. It makes it very, very easy to, like, you know, part your hair. So let's go ahead and grab up all your stuff, grab up your things, and let's go ahead and start this hair tutorial. So I started my hair at probably like about 5:40, and so far I am almost done with my hair. Just a little bit of I'm gonna just show you guys these last 2 that I have to do. So of course, first things first, and I do have 35 braids in my hair. So far the end result, probably even either red. So we're gonna do red. And I really do love braiding with this hair. I love how the ends already come pre-feathered whenever you take it out the pack. I love how it's like not blunt, and it's really easy to braid with this hair. So I'm only gonna take about this much for the first piece. And what I do is I like to put the hair here, and I like to just put my hand here and place the rubber band directly right there. That way this braid will for sure be really secured. And then I like to take some Shine and Jam, and I like to get the natural hair as moist and wet as I can, because this is going to be the part that's going to be blending in, just so we can cover up my black hair. And then you're gonna basically just like do this, and it'll look like this. You say about that much, and now you're just gonna start braiding it down. And as you're braiding it, it's gonna cover up your black hair, so the black won't be peeking through the braid. So it'll just be like literally a solid black color. I mean, a solid red color. So as long as you tuck in that hair, the braid, it will just do itself. You just start bringing it down. And you just braid it all the way until we don't need it to braid no more. And then since I'm planning on braiding the ends, and we're just gonna attach a rubber band at the end, just so I know where I'm going to be burning the ends of the hair at, like so. And it's tucked, the actual color in my braid. This one is my last one. I'm just going to show you one more time how do you you know, hide your natural hair under your box braid. And then take a rubber band, put it here, and you're gonna tighten that part, tighten that rubber band, and then you're gonna add, now you're just gonna let it go just so it'll blend in with this red hair, because that's how you're actually gonna hide your natural hair when you do this. Then you're gonna take extra hair, the other hair you have, and you're just gonna wrap and you're just gonna start braiding it down. Now I'm just putting the final touches on my hair. I enjoy using this edge control because it really like low-key lay my hair down. No better type of edge control besides this one, and I really like this, and I bought this off of Amazon. So yeah, just next, I'm just gonna add these jewels. I usually just purchase these off of Amazon, but these are just some ones that I literally just had left over. I'll add this into my hair. Just to give my hair just a little bit of hair fun. I really love my hairstyle. So this is pretty much the final look of this a quick way to actually do your hair into a bob, but actually using colored. I really like this hair. I think it's really cute. I love the colors. The colors are very bright, vibrant. That's what I love. I love how the colors are very vibrant, and I actually love all of these colors. I do have a pop of gray in the back, and then I have a pop of blue. Then I went in with some lime green, some reds, and of course I did have to go with some pink on this side. And I still have a lot of hair left, and this is really cute. I really love this hairstyle. Overall, it did take me about 4 hours to complete this whole look. It's for sure like a springtime look, so this is for sure giving you festival look, festival vibes. This is a really cute look. Now I'm gonna do a little 360 for you. I hope I did good trying to do like an angle bob, and then I wanted to like give it like a natural curl. So I think this is really cute. This is really cute. Like I said, I didn't even use all of the hair. This is how much hair that I still have left over. I still have quite a lot of hair left over. So in each pack, I'll say I used about two of the bundles per one pack, and in all I have about 35 plaits in my hair, 35 braids. So So I did want to give you that detail. So if you do want to, you know, latest look for this spring or summertime, then this is really, really, really cute. I like it. The hair felt really, really soft and it never tangled the whole time I was braiding, and that's what I really, really love about this hair. So let me know in the comment section below what you think about this hairstyle. I really love it. I really, really love it. It's really, really cute. And I also did do the method where where you like tuck in your natural hair so your natural hair color won't show, and that's what I did. And I love my hair. Bye, you guys.